Hello guys, welcome to today's class. So in our previous class, we saw how to download and install the VS Code on our Windows operating system, the Windows 10 or 11, the latest version in 2025. So today we are going to be seeing how we can be able to set up our Python and also how to install the Python packages in VS Code. So guys, the first thing we need to do, make sure that your Python is downloaded and installed on your PC. So you just click, you come and type on your search button, type Python download. You take the first link. When you click the first link, it's going to open like this. Then you just need to click this download Python. That's the latest version. You download it and then you install it on your PC. Just download and then install. If you don't know how to download and install, you check it in this channel. You're going to see how to download and install Python on your PC. In this same channel, you're going to see, just click, then take the options next, the default option next, and as you want. Then the next thing we are going to see is how to be able to download and install our VS Code. So next, after the Python we have downloaded and installed, next is our Visual Studio Code. So you just type VS Code download and you take the first option. When you click this first option, it is going to open like this. And when it opens like this, you just need to click on download. We click on download and then you choose which one you want to download. Is it for Windows? If it is for Windows, you see for Windows, the latest version is for Windows 10 and 11 that we are having here. So you click on Windows, automatically it is going to get downloaded. So guys, now that our Visual Studio Code is downloaded, is we have installed it on the PC. That is why if we look here, we can be able to see the shortcut here because I accepted that I wanted a shortcut on my keyboard, on my desktop. Sorry about that. Otherwise, you should be able to just type in here in the search bar. If you just type here, it is going to appear here. That's the next thing you can do if you didn't have it here. So if we click on it, so guys, now that our Visual Studio Code is ready, we have already downloaded it. Everything is good. The first thing we need to do, because we want to place the settings to make the settings for our Python environment to set it. Okay. So the first is that just go to this open folder here. You click on this open folder, and to get this open folder is when you click here. You click the Explorer here. You see, this is how it looked like when we open it. You can just click here, just click the welcome, you just close it, and then click on this Explorer here, and then you click on open folder. This open folder, we just want to create a folder. So I go to my desktop and just create, on this desktop, I'm just going to create a new folder, and that new folder, I'm just going to call it as workspace or anything. You can call it in that format, a workspace that so I'm going to select the folder that I'm already creating. You can create that particular folder before you come. So I'm just going to select the Python workspace. So that is the folder we've created. So automatically, whatever I'm doing for Python here, it says yes. Say yes, I trust the author. Yes, I'm going to click on yes. So that whatever I'm doing for Python here, it is going to go through. It's going to be saved in this particular folder. Everything we are working on Python, so it's being one environment, which is beautiful. So the next thing I'm going to do is to be able to create a new Python file. So, and when you're creating a Python file, the Python file has to end with the extension .py. So let's say I'm creating the Python file as hello world, hello world.py. So it's .py that I'm creating, the hello world.py. I've created a file, so automatically it opens for me to be able to write in that particular hello world. That is install one plugin that we can have. You go to extension for us to be able to install particular plugin. So we just search in here. So just type here. We're going to look for the plugin which is Python. So we just type in the Python. And when we type in it, you see, we are going to see, just look close for it. These are various options that have given us. So we need to just follow. And then you do what? Click on the install. You just click on the first one. You click on install. Then it's going to get installed. That is just what we are supposed to do. So we just wait for it to get installed. So now guys, you can see that it is installed. So we have successfully installed the Python package. So it's going to come with all the binaries that we need there. So now let's try to write into that particular file, the file that we just created. I'm just going to give a small message, print, hello world. It's just a hello world, just a single line code that I'm writing in it for us to be able to print, just simple, hello world. So now, so guys, after writing the code, I've just written, this is it, print, Hello world is a single line code I've just written. The next thing we need to do is to run this particular code. Just move your mouse to the top right of your page. You see this small, where my mouse is, just click there to run the code. And when you run, you see automatically the terminal will appear below here. Where my mouse is, I've highlighted. That is the message it has printed. Hello world means everything is working excellent, which is beautiful because that is what we want, right? That is excellent. So now that we know we can be able to see, I've already see how we can set the Python. Let's try now to see how we can be able to do what? To do other things to completely set everything and also how to install the packages. And guy, if you have been watching up to this point, please, and you have not liked this video, what are you really waiting for? Click the like button. It won't hurt you, right? It won't hurt you. Just support the channel by clicking the like button. And also, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please just click the subscribe button. And when you click the subscribe button, make sure to hit that notification bell and take all so that you get notified whenever we upload new videos. And you know we have the Python projects that are going on, ongoing Python projects that we are working with. So you get notified whenever we upload them. So guys, let's continue. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for those who have been there from the one, rocking with us, always supporting, always sharing, always commenting, always liking. Thank you so much. I'm really grateful. Let's keep the good work, guys. Thank you so much. So now that we have already seen, you can see the output on the output panel that we are having there on our console. Now, the next thing we have to do now is for me to show you is how to be able to install our Python packages. So for that, we need to create one virtual environment for Python, and I'm going to show you how to do. You just need to press on your keyboard Control Shift P. Control Shift P. When you press Control Shift P on your keyboard, automatically it is going to give us a drop down menu, this drop down menu. So here you just need to type Python create environment. Python create environment. And when you type Python create environment, and then it's going to appear there, and then you're going to select it. You just click on it, the Python create environment. You're going to see now there are two options there. We have the environment and we have the conda. Take the first option, and when you take the first option, you're going to see your path. You're going to see the Python that you installed. You're going to see the Python that you installed there. You select it, you click on it, and when you click on it, because we want to set that particular environment, so you have to click on that. When you click on it, automatically you look down, it's going to be setting the environment for us. So once now it is finally created, you can see that thing has disappeared. The virtual environment is set. So now when the virtual environment is set, we can come directly to our console, the output console there. We can be able to do what? To just install any package of our choice. So guys, we can install as many packages as we want, depending on the package and what you want to work with. For example, if you want to install, let's say I want to install NumPy package, you just say pip install NumPy. You just click on enter. So the package is going to get installed. That is how it goes. So that is how we want to install as many packages depending on what package you want to install. We just go with that and we are going to be able to install those particular packages. You see, it has collected it. Why it's showing like this? Say what? It say using this is always say what? So installing collection package NumPy. That is what it is. So as you can see, the pip install NumPy to install a particular package because we already set up our environment. Since the environment was set up, so we can install the packages. So I said, let's just install this package. So pip install NumPy. This is it. It ran through. It downloaded the particular package until it's telling us that successfully installed NumPy, and it's giving us the version. It's giving us the version of that NumPy that has been installed. This is beautiful, right? So you can install as many packages as possible depending on the project you're working on, what you're working on, or you can decide to just install them once